All right, y'all, I'm about to pull these biscuits out of the oven and we're gonna get some gravy on them. And I told you earlier, we got a taste of them and make sure they taste good. So these two people are my tasters today. This is my grandson, JD. This is my granddaughter, Leah, and Wyatt's outside doing something, so he'll miss the tasting, but he'll get a good dose later. So I'm gonna pull out the biscuits right now. And I got a really good looking, hot, ugly biscuit. And look how it looks on this side. Beautiful,
crispy.
Very good. It's gonna be excellent. And let's get some of this gravy. And remember, I told you how to make it thicker in one of my tips with a slurry, and this is looking pretty good right now. So we're just gonna do a little bit of taste test here and see how it is. There's Wyatt. You wanna come on over and do a little taste test with us and see how good this is? Now we're gonna have to let this cool. So while we're letting it cool, let's turn around and get 4 forks. Very good. They're good kids, aren't they? Here, I need one. All right, now this is hot, so we're gonna have to decide what we're gonna do to cool it off. But doesn't this look good, y'all? Beef tips and gravy, and we got that ugly
Yummy.
biscuit under there. It's smoking hot, right out of the crock pot that I showed you how to cook this morning. Now, what I suggest, I'm gonna pull off a little and then blow on it and let it cool. What do y'all wanna do?
That's what I'll do.
We don't want a burnt mouth.
I will agree.
We've done that before. It's not good, is it?
It is not.
All right, we gotta blow.
I guess I'll take some right here.
We gotta see if it needs salt, pepper, what it needs. Y'all ready? Blow the smoke off. That is good. I think it's pretty good. I don't think it needs a thing. What do y'all think?
It is a tad bit of salt, but it's pretty
Okay,
good.
we'll put a little tad of salt in it for JD,
It's
and
really
then
good.
we'll move on. So thanks for joining us with this beef tips and gravy and ugly biscuits. We'll see you later. Bye-bye.
We could,
Let's just keep eating.
we could like.
This
put
is so good, isn't it?
Some clothes on.
What do you
the
think,
stove
Wyatt?
and,
Good.
you know, as a
Name it.
tradition.
Where's Melba?
Part of the team.
Hey.
What's that?
Hey. We gotta set the table, don't we?
This
Could be rosy like the Jets.
Rosy. Well, I don't know, maybe we could like.
I might
Fix
survive.
it to the top of the window. You know,
Move it around.
and have it be going around, you know.
It's good, isn't it?
We could put, well, if there's a phone in the middle.
Y'all know
we
I
could-
love you if I make you
Actually,
this.
Put an iPad and make a
Actually,
face.
I mean, I've got, you know, Raspberry
We
Pi
love it.
program.